The cabin air filter in 2021-2023 Toyota Sienna models is located behind the glove compartment on the passenger side. First, park the vehicle on a level surface and turn off the ignition. Open the glove compartment and remove the two plastic pins at the top by gently pulling them out. Lower the glove box fully and prop it open. Locate the filter cover, a rectangular plastic panel with clips, and unclip it. Now, pull out the old filter, noting the airflow direction arrows on the side of the filter. This is important for installing the new one correctly. Take your new cabin air filter, Toyota part number 87139-YZ10 or equivalent, and prepare to insert it into the housing. Insert the filter into the housing, ensuring the airflow direction matches the arrows you noted on the old filter. The arrows show which way air flows through the filter. Reattach the filter cover, making sure it clips securely into place. Raise the glove box back into position and reinstall the two plastic stops at the top. Close the glove box. Turn on your vehicle and test the HVAC system to ensure proper airflow. Replacing the cabin air filter improves air quality and prevents strain on the blower motor. Aim to replace it every 15,000 to 25,000 miles or annually.